Make a great choice today with the 2020 Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, remote engine start. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Why buy from Palm Bay Ford? We treat you like family and offer the ultimate service after the sale that you just have to experience for yourself. It's car buying made simple with savings up to $9,000. Or shop online and get our best e-price. Invoice minus all rebates and incentives. Plus, the best used car warranty. If it breaks, we fix it. Period. Come to Palm Bay Ford and experience the difference for yourself at Palm Bay Ford.